Hello guys, I have a here special thing. This is a old school classic telescope. This is the Celestron C8 from the 80's in very good condition, mounted on a Celestron CPC11 heavy duty tripod. The telescope is the second generation from the C8 telescope. I'm gonna remove the shield so you can see the mirror, the serial number. I know this telescope from 1983 is from the serial number and the primary mirror. Very nice, clean it. So let's go back to the time. This is the second generation. The first one, it was the orange tube. When they released the 2080 Celestron, they had to make a response of that. So that response, they introduced the second generation, and the difference between the first, the orange tube, and this one is so many. So the most important difference is the motor drive. It was the Celestron Warner drive. The second one was the improved with the wedge, more stability, more strong. The third difference was the finder scope. The finder scope, and the other one, fourth difference was the carotids. This is not the Star Bright carotids. The Star Bright carotids, they were released in 1984. The last one was just the color. Celestron changed the color from orange to black because to avoid the confuse from the first one and the second one generation. You see, so beautiful telescope. The motor drive works so very good with high precision. This is the cable that is connected right here. So how this telescope works? You have to meet three requirements. The first one is keep the telescope straight from the ground. This is the level. Okay. The second one, when you put the wedge on the tripod, you have to always make sure this one is facing the north. This LED, the north is over there, always facing the north. And the third one is set up the latitude. In my case, this is 51 latitude. 60 is gonna be like here, 40 is gonna be like here, 30 and 20 like here. This is 0 latitude. So when you have those three things completed, the telescope moves like this way. They move like this way. See? They rotate. Yeah, that is how it works. Telescope. I have here as well other good things. This is the classic eyepieces that came with the telescope. 40 years old, same as the telescope. This is the 45mm, 36, 26, 15, and 7.5. The best optic design there is in the 26mm. Here's some magazine, the original certification, buyer, and the time. A lot of nice things. There's a ring adapter, 0.96 eyepiece that is going here. The finder scope. And here this is more modern eyepieces. So I would like to make a quick comparison between a 15mm from the 1980 with a 15mm from a modern eyepiece. So you guys can see the difference. This is the Celestron luminous 15mm. Yeah, you see the difference from an eyepiece from the 80s and an eyepiece from today. Yeah, very good condition eyepieces. You see a difference? Modern eyepiece and the old eyepiece. Wow, I'm happy to have this telescope. I already use it. The view from the moon is so nice, much better. I have previous a Newton 5.1 inches, but the difference between that one and this one is so big. Yeah, happy have the telescope. I'm gonna use for many years. So that's it, guys. Thank you for the video. See you next time.